In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams. This setup is useful if you want to make it easier to connect Microsoft Teams calling features with your Slack workspace so you can move more smoothly between the two platforms. The process is fairly quick, and once it's connected, Slack will be able to work with the Microsoft Teams Calls app. To get started, open Slack and head to the section called Agents and Apps. This is where Slack keeps app-related tools, integrations, and extensions for your workspace. If you're following along in your own account, make sure you're signed into the correct workspace before continuing, especially if you use Slack for more than one team. Once you're in Agents and Apps, click Connect Apps. This will take you to the area where you can browse and manage integrations available for Slack. Think of this as the app marketplace and connection hub, where you can add tools that expand what Slack can do. From there, look for Microsoft Teams calls and select it. This is the specific integration that connects Slack with Microsoft Teams calling functionality. Opening the app page will let you review the connection and begin the installation process. Next, click Add to Slack. This starts the authorization step inside Slack. At this point, Slack is preparing to install the Microsoft Teams Calls app into your workspace. Depending on your workspace settings, you may need the right permissions to continue. If your organization restricts app installs, you may need approval from an admin before the connection can be completed. After that, click Allow. This gives Slack permission to connect with the Microsoft Teams Calls app and enables the features needed for the integration to work properly. Whenever you see a permissions screen like this, it's a good idea to quickly review what access is being requested so you understand how the app will interact with your workspace. Finally, enter your Microsoft account details to complete the connection, and then you're good to go. This links your Microsoft account to the Slack integration and finishes the setup process. Be sure to use the Microsoft account you want associated with Teams for this workflow, especially if you have multiple accounts for work, school, or personal use. Once everything is connected, the integration should be ready to use inside Slack. If something doesn't work right away, try refreshing Slack or signing out and back in. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Slack with Microsoft Teams.